Farooq Abdullah is here with me. Farooq Saab. Farooq Saab, Home Minister has given clarification that you have not been detained. Tell us that what was the situation and what is the current situation now?
The situation is such, I'm not allowed to come out of my house.
Okay.
Only after hearing the Home Minister's announcement that I'm staying in my home on my own is free will is not true. I have a DSP outside my house. Nobody is allowed to come in.
Okay.
Nobody is allowed to go out.
Okay. फारूक साहब ये बताइए आपको डिटेंशन की जो आप बात कर रहे हैं कब शुरू हुआ और आपको घर पे रखा गया था कहीं बाहर ले जाया गया?
मुझे घर में ही रखा गया है.
Okay.
और जब से ये शुरू हुआ यानी कल रात से मुझे बिल्कुल घर से बाहर नहीं जाने दिया. यहाँ तक कि मैं अस्पताल जाना चाहता था. मुझे थोड़ा सा हार्ट का प्रॉब्लम हो गया था. तो मुझे अस्पताल जाना था. मैं अस्पताल जा नहीं सका.
Okay.
क्योंकि इन लोगों ने रोका नहीं.
Okay.
जब मैंने अभी ये अनाउंसमेंट सुनी है कि मैं डिटेन नहीं हूँ और मैं अपने फ्री विल में हूँ, तो मैं सारे नेशन से ये कहना चाहता हूँ मैं अपने फ्री विल से घर में बंद नहीं हूँ.
तो अभी क्या आपको रिलैक्सेशन मिला?
इन्होंने मुझे बंद किया है और मैं जोर से आया हूँ सिर्फ आप लोगों से बात करने के लिए कि ये जो अनाउंसमेंट होम मिनिस्टर ने किया है ये टोटली गलत है. बेबुनियाद है. मैं बिल्कुल बंद हूँ. मैं नहीं निकल सकता और कोई मेरे घर में आ नहीं सकता. ये हालत है.
उमर अब्दुल्ला, वेयर इज उमर अब्दुल्ला?
He is in Hari Niwas, arrested. We do not know anything about anybody.
Okay.
Because when nobody is coming, I cannot get any news other than what I see on the television.
But Amit Shah has told the detained and he has made it clear. And now also you're talking to us, Farooq Saab.
I am talking to you because I had to come out. I had to force myself.
Okay.
I had to push my police officers. I don't know how many they will remove from service.
Okay.
Because I had to come and tell you that I am not sitting in my house of my free will.
So, Farooq Saab, one more question. Now, Article 370 and 35A has been scrapped. Now, the bill, Amit Shah has proposed bill in Lok Sabha today, and most likely it's going to get passed. Your take on it, because the all-party meeting held at your residence, and you people want the central government not to take any such step.
We have made it already clear, without any such thing, that it is unconstitutional. These were the guarantees given to the state of Jammu, Kashmir and Ladakh. And what they have done is totally wrong. And it should have never been done.
Okay.
Farooq, the way people are suffering, everything is closed.
Okay.
And some of the media says people are enjoying and
Amit Shah will be here on 15th of August to unfurl the national flag.
I don't think I'll be allowed to come out of the house as I've just forced myself out.
Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you so much for talking. So that was Farooq Abdullah speaking exclusively to Times Now here in Srinagar. This is the first reaction of Farooq Abdullah after the news of his detention first, and second after the scrapping of Article 370 and 35A has made it clear that he was under the house arrest. These are his allegations, and somehow he forced his security guards at his residence to allow him to come out, and he has spoken to us.
I just have one question for you and for all our viewers watching our broadcast, that what kind of detention or preventive detention or house arrest or